What's poppin', everyone? This is your boy Sir Smith, and I'm back with another one. In today's tutorial, what I want to do is help you guys that having smearing, piece of road, or bending while printing, okay? And we're going to do this very fast here. So what we're going to do, we're going to go all the way over until we see settings. Click on settings, and once we've done that, we want to click on where it says printer settings. And once we have done that, we want to scroll up a little bit, and we see where it says thick paper. Click on that, and change that off to on, okay? And once we have done that, go to quiet mode. Click on quiet mode, and we want to from off to on, okay? And what we want to do, we want to go back here, and you see what it say ink drying time. We want to click on that and change from standard to longer, okay? Make sure your bidirectional is off as well, okay? The density also set at 0, okay? Once we have done that, we want to click on paper source settings, and we want to click on paper setup. Once we click on paper setup, choose your cassette, okay? I'm going to choose rear paper feeder, here, boom. Okay, we want to go to paper type. Now what that does, we want to change from premium presentation mat to maybe presentation mat, or you scroll all the way up into plain paper and see what that does to help you out, okay? This could be your issue as well. If you're using premium presentation mat, change it from high to maybe I guess what from I guess basic or normal, whatever it has. But if that doesn't work, then try presentation mat. Then you go up to plain paper. And if you choose plain paper, make sure you choose high as well. Okay. Have a good one. This your boy Sir Smith out.